Hi, my name is Garrett. I am a digital ad manager, and I want to take a few seconds to talk about a beer and my appreciation for this guy. If you need anything related to tracking analytics, he is your guy. He's helped me with multiple clients across WordPress, Shopify, and even a SquareUp site. He's helped me set up conversions API for Meta, enhanced conversions for Google, and even server-side tracking for Google Analytics. I actually found a beer through one of his YouTube tutorials. I was running into a pretty advanced issue that I could not resolve, but I reached out to him. He quickly set up an appointment, and he resolved that issue. He's really comfortable with code and site dev work too, so I've been reassured in his capabilities time and time again because he always finds a solution. Plus, like speaking from experience, it can always be a little nerve-wracking, make you a little nervous when you're handing over the keys to your site and to your accounts related to ads and other things in analytics. But I've used a beer multiple times, and I've been, again, reassured that he is a trustworthy guy that you can rely on. So, again, if you need an expert in anything related to analytics or tracking, look no further than a beer.